Nandito ka pala. You're here. Huwag kang tatawag. Don't call. Dito lang muna ako. I'll just stay here. Labas tayo mamaya. Let's go out later. Saan banda ba iyan? Where is it located? May signal ba dito? Is there signal here? Pwede ka ngayon? Are you available today? Ano sa tingin mo? What do you think? Bago ka rin dito? Are you new here too? Kumusta ang biyahe? How is your travel? Huwag kang gagalaw. Don't move. Tinatamad na naman ako. I feel lazy again. Ikaw na ang bahala. It's up to you. Kaya natin ito. We can do this. Ibang-iba ka na. You look different. Tatawag ako mamaya. I will call later. Huwag kang matakot. Don't be afraid. Huwag kang umiyak. Don't cry. Alam mo ba ito? Do you know this? Aalamin ko iyan. I'll find it out. Hindi ako makagalaw. I can't move. Hindi ako nasabihan. I wasn't informed. Bakit parang may mali? Something's wrong. Pauwi ka na ba? Are you on your way home? Kanina pa ako nandito. I've been here. Natingnan mo na? Have you seen it? Nagmamadali kasi ako. I'm in a hurry. Nakapili na ako. I chose already. Bili tayo ng kape. Let's buy coffee. Bilisan mo naman. Please hurry. Bakit ka tumatakbo? Why are you running? Ililibre kita ngayon. I'll treat you today. Masakit ang ulo ko. My head hurts. Nakahanda na ako. I'm ready. Kakain muna ako. I'll eat first. Masakit ba ulo mo? Do you have headache? May gagawin ka pa ba? Do you have anything else to do? Aalis ako bukas. I will leave tomorrow. Bago ito sa akin. This is new to me. May napili ka na ba? Have you chosen anything yet? Kahit na, hindi ito pwede. Though it's not possible. Kumbinsihin mo siya. Convince him. Mas malaki ito, hindi ba? It's bigger, isn't it? Tututol ako riyan. I will disagree to that. Wala pa rin ba sila? Are they still not here? Bakit ayaw mo nito? Why don't you want it? Kakaiba din ito, hindi ba? It's also strange, isn't it? Sasama ako, ayaw mo? I'll join, don't you want? Tatanungin ko muna sila. I'll ask them first. Ganito ka rin kumain? Do you eat like this too? Gagawa rin ako nito. I'll make this one too. Kailan ka manganganak? When is you due? Bakit ka tumatawa? Why are you laughing? Nakakatawa ba ito? Is this funny? Sasabihin ko sa kanya. I will tell her. Kilala mo ang kaibigan ko. You know my friend. Mag-isa lang ako rito. I'm just alone here. Siyempre, ayaw ko rin. Of course, I don't want to. May naiwan ako. I left something. Ang laki naman ito. This is huge. May nagbago sa'yo. Something has changed in you. Kailangan nating mag-usap. We need to talk. Kinuha ko? Bakit? I took it. Why? Bakit ka ba galit? Why are you angry? Dadalawan kita bukas. I'll visit you tomorrow. Maganda ba ito? Is this beautiful? Kailangan kong palitan iyan. I need to change it. Sige, tama ka. Okay, You're right.